Hi, I'm Mae Campbell and I run Campbell Coaching. Campbell Coaching is based in the Avon Valley at Brynbetis Lodges. So our open courses range from the fundamentals of mountain biking through to the core skills. We like to build our own skills area to give our clients the most out of their session as well. So it's out of the way and they can concentrate on themselves, and with that ease of progression, develop them to the point that they're comfortable with and doing stuff they never thought they would be able to achieve. We use video analysis to help our clients progress even further and get the most out of their day and get their understanding of what they're doing with their riding. What I like about the area as a mountain biker is it's riddled with trails of all different types. You've got your National Resources trails, which are all signposted for people. You've got your downhill trails. Here you've got your four-cross, you've got a bike park, and then you've got the wilderness where you can pretty much roam all over the place. Come find your epic adventure in the dramatic heart of Wales.